Welcome back to the House of Cars 2024, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to present the Singer Porsche 911 DLS, a reimagined icon that blends classic design with modern performance and craftsmanship. Let's dive into what makes the Singer Porsche 911 DLS a dream come true for car aficionados. Timeless design meets modern craftsmanship. The Singer Porsche 911 DLS, dynamics and lightweighting study, merges classic design with cutting-edge engineering. The exterior retains the iconic 911 shape, featuring lightweight carbon fiber body panels and meticulously crafted details. The stunning paintwork and hand-finish touches make the DLS a rolling piece of art. Exquisite interior. Inside, the Singer 911 DLS balances retro charm with modern luxury. The cabin features bespoke leather, hand-stitched details, and lightweight materials. The classic 5-gauge instrument cluster is updated with modern precision, ensuring the interior looks exquisite and functions seamlessly. Performance redefined. Under the hood, the Singer 911 DLS houses a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, developed with Williams advanced engineering, delivering 500 horsepower and revving up to 9,000 RPM. Its lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics offer outstanding performance and superb handling. The 6-speed manual gearbox ensures an engaging driving experience. Advanced engineering. The DLS features a bespoke suspension system with double wishbones at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear, ensuring precise handling. Lightweight carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping power. Every element of the DLS is optimized for weight reduction and performance, making it thrilling on both track and road. Exclusive and bespoke. The Singer Porsche 911 DLS is a bespoke creation tailored to its owner's desires. Each DLS is built to order with extensive customization options, making each car a unique expression of its owner's vision and passion for driving. Final thoughts. The Singer Porsche 911 DLS is a magnificent blend of classic design and modern engineering. It celebrates the timeless appeal of the original 911 while incorporating the latest advancements in performance and craftsmanship. For those seeking the ultimate driving experience wrapped in an iconic package, the Singer 911 DLS is the epitome of automotive excellence. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Singer Porsche 911 DLS. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.